Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Toyota Tacoma 3.5 liter, and it is an off-road beast. It is a four-wheel drive. I know you can't tell from up here, but it has a rebuilt title because it had some front end damage. You can see we replaced the hood, some of the panels, everything matches up perfectly, looks like new. There's that 3.5 liter V6 engine. This looks like it's in like new condition. Beautiful clear headlights. Love that honeycomb grille. Fog lights. As you can see, it really catches the sun. There are the rims and the tires, and a lot of tread on them. It does have a tow package on it. There's your electrical for your tow package. See, the bumper's in great shape. Toyota does a really nice job. Their bumpers. It is a lockable tailgate. You can see the bed. It's in amazing condition. Has your tie downs on the sides. Your chromed exhaust. The truck this high, you are going to be able to see some of your suspension. So I did notice some minor fading right here. I thought we'd bring that up. You do have a sliding rear window. Let's go ahead and walk you through the interior. Because it's a four-door, you have 4 windows to control from here. You can have your dome lights so they're off, so that it's just the doors only when they come on, or so that you can have your cargo lit and have your lights come on automatically. Go ahead and hop up in here. Here on the steering wheel, you can control your stereo. Your phone will Bluetooth connect. You can control it from the steering wheel, so you're totally hands-free. Here's your lane departure alert switch, and also your dynamic radar cruise control. It does have a push-button ignition, absolutely slick. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Mileage 10,454 miles. You can hear it's running very well. It does have that sport orange in the dash. Looks really cool. It's very easy to interact with stereo. It does have the navigation system. It's trying to connect to my phone right now. Does have AM, FM, XM, CD, has the apps such as Pandora. And we're just going to go ahead and leave that stereo on FM to make it easy. So let's go ahead and turn that off. See, here's your climate control. And it is hot outside, so that feels really good. Let's see, you have your 2, 4 high and 4 low right there. You can set your temperature here, your other typical climate control modules right there, your lane sensors. You'll have your parking sensor. You can control your rear window from here. You also have your USB and aux flap right there. Then you also have your 12-volt power. Down here, of course, you have your shifter and your cup holders. You have your park brake. Over here you've got your glove compartment and your other door controls. Up here you have your off-road settings. Depends on what kind of terrain you're going to be on. You can change your adjustments. You can also change your overhead lighting. Then we'll go ahead and step outside so that you can hear it purr. That is your 2018 Toyota Tacoma 3.5 liter truck. For more inventory, check us out on tjchapmanauto.com.